Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare this cupcake. This is a vanilla cupcake. It's moist, delicious, fluffy, and it is a perfect cupcake. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how I prepare this very cupcake. So, stay tuned. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please press the subscription button and press the notification bell. Subscribe to my channel, it is free. And share my videos as well. So let me show you this very cupcake, how I prepare it. There is no mistake in it. It is a perfect one, as you can see. So stay tuned as we jump into the preparation. Here are the ingredients. For the full list of the ingredients, check at the description box down below. In here, I have the flour. I add in the salt and the baking powder. Whisk all of them together until well combined. Then I set it aside. Next, here I have the mixing bowl. I first pour in the sugar, break in the 4 eggs. Then I add the vanilla extract. Whisk all of them together with your hand mixer. Set your hand mixer at the medium speed and later on increase it to a higher speed. You mix until well combined. Well, beat the batter until they are well combined and fluffy, light and fluffy. As you can see, as you are mixing it, the color will be changing. So it will be brighter and more fluffy and light. Then I pour in the melted butter. Then I'll whisk all of them until well combined. I sift in the flour bit by bit, alternatively with the buttermilk. I will start with the hand mixer, but in a lower speed.
Ich werde manchmal gefragt, Julia, kannst du nicht mal ein Brot backen?
I pour in alternatively the buttermilk and the flour. Now I will keep the hand mixer aside and I will continue with the spatula. The reason why I continued with the spatula is that I will not overmix the batter. So I continue adding in the cake flour alternatively with the buttermilk until they are evenly distributed.
werde manchmal gefragt, Julia, kannst du nicht mal ein Brot backen?
As you can see, we have a smooth batter. Then I set it aside. Here I have my 12-count muffin tin with paper liners. Using a trigger release ice cream scoop makes the portioning more easier for me. Once I'm through with this, I set it aside and I need another 12-count muffin tin with paper liners. So I continue the process. So once I'm done with the portioning, I transfer it to the preheated oven and bake for about 30 minutes. Here, as you can see, the cupcake is ready. So we have to keep them aside and keep them to cool. And once it is cool, we are ready to frosting. For the frosting, I have the full list of the ingredients listed in the description box below. Here in the mixing bowl, I have 1 cup of butter, softened, half teaspoon of salt, and I add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I scrape the bowl with my rubber spatula. Then I continue mixing with my hand mixer until all is light and fluffy. Then I add in, step by step, my 2 cups of sifted confectioner sugar, alternatively with 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. I will keep on mixing until all is well creamy, fluffy, and well combined. I'll keep on adding the confectioner sugar alternatively with the heavy cream until all is well incorporated. Don't forget to scrape down the bowl with spatula. Here our buttercream is ready. So I have here my piping bag and I scoop the buttercream into the piping bag with nozzle. My piping bag has a nozzle at the tip. So we are ready to decorate our cupcake. As you can see, I am demonstrating the simple piping style you can do for your cupcake. Maybe you are having a little party. You can do it if I can do it. As you can see, the vanilla cupcake is already looking yummy. I'm already having cupcake cravings. With small sprinkles on it, you're good to go. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye.